In this video, we'll discuss the Finish Line Caulk Fill Your Own Precision Caulking Toolkit and how to use it. Let's start with how to fill the barrel. The most simple way to fill one of our applicators is to load a tube of caulk into your caulk gun, cut the tip on your tube, pull out the plunger, and place it into the tube and just slowly fill your tube. Once you've gotten to the top, you don't want to fill it all of the way. You insert your plunger, you push it forward, and you can either put a tip on it and you can start caulking. Make sure that you trim that to the size that you want, or you can place a cap on it and you can use it later. That's how you do it.